Hi there, I'm Anita Chang, a pre-sales engineer at Laserfiche. During this product session, we'll be taking a look at the Laserfiche mobile application, which lets you work with documents and forms on the go. We'll start by familiarizing ourselves with the repository within the app. Then we'll discuss the specialized tools that the app provides to make easy work of importing documents and photos right from your phone. After that, we'll spend some time exploring how you can use forms from the Laserfiche app, whether you're in the office or out in the field. The Laserfiche app is available on iOS, Android, and Windows devices, so everyone is covered no matter which operating system they prefer or what device they want to use. If you're already comfortable accessing the repository through the Windows client or the web client, working with entries in the Laserfiche app will be a breeze. Let's take a look at the repository for Beach City, where our Public Works department is storing all their documents, with everything from service requests to maps. We'll tap our way through the folder structure to find our documents. Once we find what we're looking for, we can open up our document to make any changes we'd like. This includes updating the metadata information that keeps our content neatly indexed in the repository. If we want to leave a note for other inspectors who might work with this document, we have plenty of options. We can choose from a sticky note or even draw using a stylus or finger with a freehand annotation. Once we're done editing this document, everyone accessing it will see our changes, no matter if they're using the mobile app or the Laserfiche client. In addition to working with documents that are already within the repository, we can add new content by choosing from items you have saved already or by taking a photo and uploading it to Laserfiche. And take part in any tasks that you need to complete. That means that even if you're out of the office, you can keep an eye on processes waiting for your input, or even get started filing your expense report form before you get back. You can even bring your mobile device along with you to an event and have people fill out a specific form over and over by locking a form in the app. With this feature, you can use the Laserfiche app to make sure their input gets saved to Laserfiche as soon as they submit it. Because our Public Works inspectors are often out and about, they need a way to submit their building inspection forms without being connected to the network. That's where offline forms come in. Offline forms allow us to save a copy of our forms so we can submit them while offline. Once we return to a place where we can connect to our Laserfiche system, our submission will be automatically uploaded. If you have data lookups in your form that use form field values to look up information in a database, you can also save those data values to be used offline. That means that if our Public Works inspector is on-site visiting some basement construction projects and doesn't have signal, they'll still be able to input the project ID to the form and have Laserfiche automatically populate some of the other information. Another simple way to streamline content capture with the Laserfiche app is to make use of barcodes. We can use the camera on our device to scan a barcode and enter in the results into a search box in the repository, as well as into our Laserfiche forms. Whether you've just started adding documents into your repository or you're a seasoned forms process expert, the Laserfiche mobile application is a valuable tool that gives you access to your content wherever you go.